Hello guys. Today I will show you how to make YouTube videos on Android. First thing you need to do is download these 3 applications from Play Store. Canva, T2S, VN. Canva is really useful for making your own logo. You can do short video clips for intro in Canva. In YouTube, thumbnail is everything. You need to make good thumbnail to get more attention from viewers. You can also do custom thumbnail in Canva for your video. By the way guys, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more videos. T2S is for background voice. You can write whatever you want and export the audio for your video. We use VN for video editing. I'm highly recommend for this application because it's totally free and you can export your video in high resolution. This is how you can do YouTube videos on your phone. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.